is a simple method to remove backgrounds from your videos in Premiere Pro. Start by locating the Effects panel and searching for the Color Key effect. Apply this effect to your video clip by dragging it onto your footage in the timeline. Open the Effect Controls panel and find the Color Key settings. Use the eyedropper tool to sample the background color you want to remove. Slowly increase the color tolerance value until the background becomes transparent. For cleaner results, adjust the edge, thin, and edge feather parameters to smooth out any rough edges around your subject. You can toggle the transparency grid in your preview window to better see your results by clicking the settings icon. For complex backgrounds, you may need to add multiple color key effects to remove different color ranges. This technique works best when your subject clearly contrasts with the background.